Yeah, how are you guys doing? You guys, I only have 2 hours to work. Only 2 hours to work, and let's see how much we're making. Let's see how much we're gonna make in these 2 hours. It's Sunday, by the way. Sunday, October 19ish, 20ish. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. So, let's see how much we're gonna make in 2 hours. I wanna make at least 50. So, let's see if we're gonna make it. Let's see if we're gonna make it, y'all. Let's see if we're gonna make it. Right now, it's 3:40. So, let's see, y'all. You guys, we starting good. I just got an order, $25. It's a shopping order. Shopping order, $25. It's going 4 miles. And I'm shopping for 27 items. Yoo-hoo! We started on good. So we have $24 more to reach our goal. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We just received another order, you guys. $24. Three miles, and we dropping 3 drop off. We just reached our goal. You guys, we just reached our goal in 2 deliveries. Should I keep going or should I stop? Comment down below if I should stop since I reached my goal, or keep going. Oh my Lord, what's a good day. Anyway, the reason why I'm working on Sunday, because you guys, there is this outfit that I saw in Walmart, 2-piece. If you know me, you know I love 2-piece clothes. Oh my gosh, I love it. When I saw it, I loved it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go work for it. So I'm working for something that I want. I want to get it so bad. I want to get it so bad. I loved it. So I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it this close today. So my $50. We just got $50 in less than 1 hour, y'all. He just finished loading my my items, my deliveries. Yo, this was the quickest. The quickest. Okay, I got it. Yo, English is not my first language. It's not my first language, so bear with me. This was the quickest, oh Lord, whatever, order that I just got. When I just got here, Walmart, boom, they was out. I didn't even have to wait for 1 minute to bring my order. Oh my God. I wish every day it's just like this. You got a Walmart, boom, they bring your order. Instead of waiting for 10 minutes, 15 minutes to bring you out. Anyway, it's going on hotel. I don't like delivering at a hotel, you guys, and it's going 3rd floor. So I hope I don't have too many items to go up and down. I just don't like delivering at hotels. I don't like it. I didn't even check when I received the order. I saw the money and the miles, boom, I clicked on it. So let's see how it's gonna go. I just hope it's not too many things that I have to take up and down. Is it here? It's a lot and it's not a lot. Hello. You guys, I just got my last order. $24. It's a shopping order, and I'm shopping for 2 people. It's going only 4 miles. So let's go do my last order. So for the first person, I'm gonna shop for 10 items, and the other one is gonna be 7 items. So altogether it's 17 items. done shopping. This is for one person, and this is for the other person. So I'm going to check out right now. I am done with shopping, so right now I'm delivering them. My first drop off is only 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I'm hot. This dress here, it's making me hot. My 2 hours shift is over. You guys, my 2 hours shift is over. So I added 30 minutes on it because delivering it take you never know how it goes. So guess how much we made, y'all, for 3 deliveries that we made. I made 3 deliveries in these 2 hours, and we made 73 hours. Wow, we made 73 hours, you guys. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. My goal was 50, so now I have 20 something extra. So I'm gonna buy this outfit. I'm gonna get this outfit. I'm not gonna buy it today, but I'm gonna buy it like next week. I don't know which day, but I know it's gonna be there because they have a lot of them. So yeah, all right, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I love you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment.